Ashley Chevalier, just in case you didn't know. Today's video is a little bit different. My birthday's coming up. I'm turning 23 years old and I can't believe I'm saying this. I decided to get me a luxury gift. It's on the title. You guys already know what I got. I got me a Saint Laurent bag. I ordered mine from farfetch.com. How it came in is just like this. It's Saint Laurent. You open it, this is what it looks like. It has the whole Saint Laurent envelope. So it comes in all these it comes with all these wrapping paper and everything, and next thing you know, you see the bag is like this. And you see how pretty it is? I don't know, I thought I got the mini one, but it seems that I got the regular one. But this is super cute. Here how it looks. It just says YSL. And you know how it's have this whole Y thing going on? That's my favorite part. Like, it's super cute. It's real leather and everything. This is what it looks like. I really wanted this bag because it's so small and chic. It's a casual bag, but yet it still looks like the type of bag where you're going out to dinner and going out to eat and it still pops up. It's like a very cute casual bag. This is how it came. It came with the Farfetch tag, because I got it from Farfetch, and it is a crossbody bag. It looks like it's really cute. Oh my god, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So I have to stand up so I can show you in depth, but this is how the bag looks. I feel like it's small, but I feel like it could hold a lot, because this is the inside. It has like a little pocket thingy. I don't want to stretch out my bag, but it has like a little pocket thingy right here, so you could put some cards, and another thing right here, a middle part inside compartment where you could also put stuff. So I'm kind of happy that this is here. And when I digged in through it, have like a whole Saint Laurent card. I don't think this is the authentic card. Probably is. Also is like very hard to stretch because, you know, it's real leather. I also like how it has like a little zipper right here. When you look at the zipper, when it comes inside, it comes with the authentic card. I wanted to see if that could fit in the bag because, you know, this phone is huge, and when I put it in, it definitely fit, but it does make the bag a little bit heavy. I also wanted to see what I could fit in the bag. I actually fit my lotion in here while it's standing. I got hand sanitizer. I also have this big compartment wallet, so I want to see if this could fit, but I feel like I would have to put this first, then put my others. Oh, it fits. It fits my big compartment wallet. Mind you, I have coins, cash, I have my lotion in here, and then I could also, like, you know, squeeze in my little hand sanitizer, and it still closes. So I'm happy about that. You can't really put a lot of things in here because, you know, it's gonna get heavy. Wearing a crossbody bag, you do not want to wear a bag that is gonna hurt your neck. You know, it already came with its shape. You know, some bags don't come with the shape. There's sometimes like, you know, flimsy and everything, and I do not like that. I like a bag that comes with a shape, because when it comes with a shape, that means it's gonna last a little bit longer. See this? This is super cute. And another good thing about this bag, you can adjust it. All you gotta do is take this off. You could adjust it as much as you want. I did try to make it a little bit longer because I like my bags to be a little bit longer, but I don't think you could do that. It only sticks right here where you tie the crossbody bag. It still says Saint Laurent, which I do like. It's also the detailing for me. This is how it looks when I put the crossbody on. It looks just like this. I like how it is. I'm probably the type that's gonna wear it like this a little bit. So I have this, but you know, it's designer. So I'm gonna keep it right here so when I'm walking, people could still see it. You already know. Super cute. I love the bag so much. I know I'm just repeating everything, but there's really not that much to say with this bag. It's very nice. I told you the texture looks very nice. I like how the leather is very sturdy and it's very like chic, and it's just so strong. Like, if you feel the material, you know how like people buy leather shoes and they can't walk in them? This is probably the type of leather that you can't walk in. Another thing that I did like is the adjustable strap. So if you're petite and kind of smaller, you actually can adjust it. The straps are removable, so you could honestly take them off and put another strap if you wanted to, but why would you do that? But I think YSL does sell straps on its own, so legit you don't even need the strap. So this is how it looks without the strap. It looks super cute. What I also like about this bag, you actually could fit a certain type of stuff. It might be a mini, but it is fitting. I got my keys right here. I have my compartment wallet. I have my lotion. I have my keys, my AirPods, and my hand sanitizer. And I could still put stuff like in between, like, so this could go for my mask and everything. The more stuff I put, the more bigger it got, like it looks stuffed and everything. Like I said, I love how this bag comes with 3 different compartments. I love how this bag has the magnet closure, so it'll be automatically easy to attach. So it's not easy to snag. So say if somebody's trying to get into your bag, they're gonna have to struggle to like take it off a little bit. Amazing for an everyday bag. This is really cute. It's not too expensive, so I will recommend this bag. Saw in this bag, like, honestly, when I first got the bag, I felt like I did a great purchase. I will use this for more than 10 years and forever and ever, and pass it down to my daughter. Like, this bag, I would definitely use it. Comment down below if you like this bag or not, because I really like it. It's my birthday gift to myself. I turned 23 years old. This is part of the 7 days of Chevys. I hope you guys are loving the uploads so far. It's a like, comment, and subscribe. Get to know me and I'll get to know you. Follow me on all my social media, especially Instagram. And I see you Chevys later. Mwah. I got everything I want.